Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the overlocker because safety first. Once done, turn the hand wheel so the needles are at their highest position. This aligns parts and prevents damage. Next, release any upper knife and trim thread tails so nothing tugs the needle. Then, using a screwdriver or the machine tool, loosen the needle clamp screw and hold the needle base with fingers. Pull the old needle straight down and out. Do not twist, because you can bend the shaft. You now insert the new needle that matches fabric and thread. The wrong size causes skipped stitches. Make sure the flat side of the shank faces the correct direction, usually to the back. Consult your manual if unsure. Slide the needle up fully into the clamp so the shoulder seats firmly, then tighten the clamp screw securely so the needle won't slip under load. Once seated, rethread each needle individually along the color-coded guides, and keep thread ends under the presser foot, so they won't tangle. Finally, replace the throat plate or cover and lower the presser foot so the machine is ready to sew. You should trim thread tails to about 1/2 inch and test stitch on scrap fabric at slow speed. This reveals alignment, tension, and cutting behavior. If stitches look uneven or skip, make sure the needle is the correct type, pushed all the way up and oriented correctly. Replace it if bent or blunt. Remember, most problems come from a misshated or wrong needle, so check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.